Coir geotextiles are being widely used in various soil bioengineering applications for the different kinds of applications like shoreline stabilization, reinforcement of soil, road, railway, embankment protection to prevent the soil erosion, mine site reclamation, and different varieties of soil bioengineering applications are there for coir geotextiles. The picture shows different applications: slope stabilization using coir geotextile, soil protection of soil sliding, road and canal embankment protection, protection of mine site, unpaved road, stabilization of the pond, and different varieties of applications of coir geotextile. Now I am coming to the point, coir geotextile as a reinforcement for rural roads. Coir netting is placed in between the weak subgrade soil and the aggregate fill. It will be act as a separating layer in between the subgrade and subbase. Coir geotextile provide a physical barrier for the intermixing of the aggregate and the subgrade soil, provide local reinforcement, restrain the aggregate subbase from downward and lateral movement, then restrain the subgrade soil from the upgrade and lateral movement, act as a support membrane, provide sufficient friction to limit the lateral sliding of the aggregate. That are the functions of a particular geotextile when it is used as a reinforcement material for any kind of applications, including the road purpose. The picture shows how a geotextile layer will act on the road purpose. This will be the geotextile layer and it will act as a membrane for membrane support, as a frictional restraint, subgrade restraint, subbase restraint, and act as a local reinforcement. Coir board has initiated various activities to prove coir geotextile as a useful material for reinforcement of rural roads. These works have been initiated around 2008 and 9, and initially coir geotextile reinforced roads were constructed under the PMGSY scheme. The work has been allocated to various state technical agencies of the PMGSY scheme, and the roads were selected in such a way that where the CBR value of the soil was less than 10, the roads were selected in such a way that the road CBR value was less, that roads were selected for the reinforcement of coir geotextiles. These are the initial study undertaken by College of Engineering Trivandrum. A initial stretch of total stretch of 0.3 kilometer were taken. These are the work taken by NIT Trichy. They are the nodal agencies for PMGSY scheme in the Tamil Nadu state, and a total stretch of 0.9 kilometers were taken. Roads were constructed and at different test stretches. Performance evaluation were conducted by visual examination, deflection measurement by Bengelman beam deflection, international roughness index using Merlin test, skid resistance using bump indicator, and it is observed that the roads are performing well. Results of the study is that coir geotextile has been shown to be effective in reinforcing the rural road sections. Coir geotextile reinforced road sections produce lesser rut when compared to the unreinforced section. Coir geotextile reinforced sections show improved functional performance in all aspects of its performance. Then different tests have been conducted and it is proven that coir geotextile reinforcement will beneficial for the rural road construction in aspects of performance and enhancing the life of the geotextile roads. The design of rural roads can be optimized by reducing the thickness of the section. That is the major advantage taken by this technology. The thickness of the rural roads can be reduced, thereby making the technology more cost effective.